Marvelous Beauties. Welcome back to my channel, the place to be for planning, budgeting, and traveling to live a marvelously beautiful life. So I wanted to go through the August spreads in my passion planner with you and also show you some additions that I made to my passion planner. So I added some things to the cover, which were these patches. I've had these for a while, and I believe like they were in a 4-pack. Well, one set was in a 4-pack that I picked up from Target for like, I don't know, $1.98 or whatever on the clearance. And then the one that says I'm enough, that one was in a 3-pack for like $1 or whatever. So this one came with 3, I think this one, and oh yeah, the coffee mug on the back, and then like a little donut and something else. And then the sleigh, the lipstick, and there was something else. Oh, a little cactus that said hug me, but I didn't like that. So that was all together. So I got those. So I put those on. These were already sticky. This one I put on with E6000. So that's that. Then I added these little tabs on the side because, you know, Passion Planner does not come with tab sides. And these were part of the giveaway that I won from Simply Planner 101 on Instagram. So I was very thankful when I saw these in the giveaway because I had just gotten my Passion Planner like that week. And so these came like right on time. And I honestly love the fact that they're colorful because even though rose gold is my favorite, like everything, but I like the color because the cover is black and I just like having the color. So I tabbed it up all the way until like I started with January because I'm going to go back and just redate from January because I got this in July. So let's just go. I'll let you just take a little quick after the pen peek through July because I did let you go and see the before the pen. I love this spread, and this pen was the Pentel Sparkle something. I don't know, but the ink color is called black red. So on white paper, like when the light hits it, it looks like it's red and black glitter together. And this little piece I printed off of the Passion Planner website, and it's like the weekly reflection. And then I put it in with red line tape. So I wanted that. And then that was last week. And then this was the monthly reflection, which brings us to the monthly, the August monthly. So it's for my birthday. We're already in this week. So I don't know what day this week you're going to see this video, but we're already in this. I guess this is now considered the 3rd week of August, but my birthday is on this day. So all this monthly is all about me, everything, all about me, all about me, all about me, all about me, all about me. And I'm supposed to go back to work in this week, but that's what they said. So I put myself right here with the computer because if I go back to work on the 24th, then all of this week is going to be professional development, and it will probably more than likely be on the computer. I put myself right here with the mailbox because one of my orders from Alex and Ani got returned to them because I don't know, for whatever reason, my address was messed up on Shopify. So they had to reissue my orders, and it was just prepared to ship. So I probably won't get it by my birthday, but I'm hoping. So I put myself right here. We'll see how this goes if I go out that night. And I put enjoy on my birthday. I'm doing my vlog, yes, for a couple of days. So I'm going to be opening some of my presents this day. I thought I was going to go out with one of my best friends today. Well, today I'm filming this. Today is Tuesday. And look, the 31st is supposed to be the first day of school. So, I mean, y'all see me right there. Y'all see how I am. So, whatever. I'm like kind of feeling myself because I've been walking every day. Like every evening I've been walking. Now my neighbor, she's walking sometimes with me too. So, I'm like kind of feeling myself a little bit. So, that's why you got me up there looking like that. I did go out for pizza and sangria on the 3rd. And no matter what, so on the 30th, I'm going to do like some kind of spa treatment for myself. If the 31st is the first day of school. So we'll see. I put happy with this smiley face and this little thing because I'm taking my daughter to drop off her stuff at college that day. So we'll see. Dropping her stuff off at the campus. And celebrate is for the whole month. And this little planner clip I made for myself with the cupcake for the birthday month. One of my subscribers, Skyneek, she sent me these stickers, so I made planner clips out of all of those. And this is that River and Ink washi tape that I love so much. Now, the first week, and I held off on filling this in, so I wrote all of my journal stuff on notebook paper so that I could have this so you could see it before the pen. And these are the Jameson Reed design stickers that came out in that Paper House Productions release. And I love that set of stickers. Oh my God. I feel like buying it again and using it all over again. But like I used the whole set in my home planner, which you'll see in that flip through for the monthly. And then again for the next week. And then I think the next week until I used all the stickers because I just could not. Yeah, I couldn't get enough. I just love those stickers. So you see what I did here. Like I used that was the first time I ever used every single sticker of something, but I love that. And then this was in that release also. This one was from, is it Indian Ivy? Yeah, Indian Ivy ink. And again, bomb. Their stickers are just a bomb. Like the quality is so good, and this one is like black and white and gold, one of my faves. And then like the little red lips is so cute, so I love it. So again, so this week I started doing all my journal stuff put my notes on paper so I could leave this blank because I wanted to film before I started writing to show you. So but let me show you what I'm doing on the bottom this week. So this week I didn't separate it. So I'm doing the goals going straight across. So it's going to be, we're going to see how that's going to be. This is going to be my shopping list. Well, you know, my wish list, because I always make my wish list, the stuff that I want to buy for myself or the stuff that I want to get, the stuff that I want to buy. And then my love this. So this is going to be either gratitude or just the stuff that I love in general. And it's the birthday week. Now, this is my birthday week. So I decided to do this where I put all the pictures of myself at the bottom. And these are all trips that I've taken within the past 2 years for my birthday. So usually every year for my birthday, I'll take a trip somewhere. And since this year we have this whole thing going on, everybody knows what's going on. I don't have to say it's 2020. I can't take a trip for my birthday, and I love to travel, so I just did like a travel theme. I used Capital Chic Design stickers, and then I put different pictures of myself from different trips. So this one was Costa Rica, and that was in 2018. This was 2019. I took a road trip with all of my first cousins. Oh my God, those girls are crazy. We went to North Carolina to visit our cousin. This one was Panama, 2018, and this one was Costa Rica, 2018. Look at that black sand beach, y'all. That's the bomb. So I don't know what I'm gonna write in this week. Probably just I think at the bottom I'm just gonna reflect on the trips, because yeah, and then at the top we'll just write what we did for my birthday week. But that's what I did. And then I did this one for the last week because I don't know. I had these heart stickers for a long little while, and these lip stickers. I just found these in my sticker stash. I'm like, hearts and lips. Doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. And then I saw this washi tape, which I had this for, I don't know, I guess 7 months, because that's when I started collecting washi tape. But I saw that, and I'm like, I don't know, how could I put this together? And I thought that was kind of cute, and it's sparkly, and it's girly, so, I don't know. Let me know what you think. So let's just go back through them. And also, still have on the same ring from my fitness planner. So if you saw that video, this is still the ring of the day. Because I'm batching today, y'all. I'm behind. I'm batching. And then Ivy. There we go. And the monthly. Oh, let me show you what else I did before you go. So at the back of the Passion Planner, there's this section where you have like blank pages, and you have like blanks, and then you have like dot grid, and then you have this pocket, which I have forgot all about. And I always keep, this came with the planner, this journal card, Create the Life You've Always Wanted. I love that. And that's just their information. So I keep that inside. I should start keeping some stickers inside too. And the pocket is a nice size. So what I did was I used this and used some more of the tab stickers, and I separated this into sections so at the back so I could use this. So this one is positive vibes, and in this section I will write like notes from speeches and different sometimes if I read something, I do different speeches. So I was listening to a speech by Marissa Peer, and I was just taking notes. So this was like a page that I made, and then I was listening to another speech by her, and this was another page that I made. So this is just like notes, like a note section of positive. And then I made a section of prayers. So I'll keep like prayers in this section. But you know what prayers are. That's like the master wish list. It's like the master wish list. And then self-care. So it's just ideas and different things I'll do. Like writing down, taking care of myself. That section is big. That section is nice and big because y'all know I love to take care of myself. And then money moves. This section, I didn't put a lot of pages, but don't worry, y'all. That's not because I'm not planning on making a lot of money moves. That's because I'm planning on using all like in between all these lines. So that's just what I'm planning on doing and how I plan on manifesting. And wasn't that cute? Like that little thing right there. And then I did a travel log. I only did one front and back page for the travel log because who knows what's going to happen? Who knows what tomorrow may bring? This travel log may be filled up with the 289 trips that I'm taking to my backyard this year. Who knows? So we'll just see what all happens with that. Or this could be my wish list travel log. And then I did manifesting wish list, and I did one page for that, but that's not because that list is going to be small. But then I have this page also and the back of that. So that one's more like 3 pages, but you know, I always put stuff like down in these sections. So that's that. So let me know how you like this month's setup for my passion planner. And also, if you have any questions about my passion planner, if you have any questions about any of my planners in general, how I'm using them, let me know how you like the ring of the day. If this is the first time you're seeing it in this video. Also, don't forget to support this channel in some manner, whether that be liking this video, subscribing to the channel, sharing this video, or leaving a comment below. Stay safe out there. Keep your family safe and healthy. And remember, you are important.